is Fun World. Hello kids, let's learn some good habits together. Eat healthy food. Eat healthy food. Eating healthy food helps you grow strong and fit. Eating healthy food helps you grow strong and fit. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Brushing your teeth keeps your teeth clean and healthy. Brushing your teeth keeps your teeth clean and healthy. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Washing your hands keeps germs away. Washing your hands keeps germs away. Keep your room clean. Keep your room clean. Keeping your room clean keeps you safe and happy. Keeping your room clean keeps you safe and happy. Help others. Help others. Helping others makes you kind and caring. Helping others makes you kind and caring. Go to bed early. Go to bed early. Going to bed early helps you feel fresh and active. Going to bed early helps you feel fresh and active. Exercise every day. Exercise every day. Exercising every day makes your body strong. Exercising every day makes your body strong. Share your toys. Share your toys. Sharing toys makes you a good friend. Sharing toys makes you a good friend. Brush your hair. Brush your hair. Brushing your hair nicely helps you look neat and smart. Brushing your hair nicely helps you look neat and smart. Reach on time. Reach on time. Reaching school on time shows you are smart and responsible. Reaching school on time shows you are smart and responsible. Study regularly. Study regularly. Study a little every day helps you learn and grow smarter. Studying a little every day helps you learn and grow smarter. Find a hobby. Find a hobby. Spending time on hobbies makes you creative and happy. Spending time on hobbies makes you creative and happy. Playing outside. Playing outside. Playing fun games keeps you happy and full of joy. Playing fun games keeps you happy and full of joy. Read a book. Read a book. Good job, kids. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye. Like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos.